Once upon a time, deep in the jungle, there was a little Injun that could. And he was chugging his way across the enemy line. Chugga, 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 toot, toot. This little Injun mission was to take some AK-47s and a nuclear payload over the mountain to the 2063 Battalion. Needless to say, there was plenty opposition. You think that stopped the little Injun that could? No sirree, Bob. He just kept chugging along. Chugga, 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 chugga. Toot, toot. Not even when they climbed aboard the train and popped out the eyes of the conductor, and blood and snot was ripping out his eye sockets. You think that stopped the little Injun that could? Damn Skippy, he just kept chugging along. Chugga, 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 toot, toot. It wasn't until Charlie rigged the bridge with plastic explosive. Just as the little Injun was making his way across the trestle, boom! An explosion happened. And blood and guts and spit and ass was everywhere. And Bubba come crawling out the back door, both legs missing. Lula made baby boy. He looked up at me, he said, "Hey, I can't feel my legs." I said, "Bubba, they ain't there." And I looked down, and them little bloody nubs was kicking real fast like this here. And I said, "Bubba, it's 30 miles to the nearest town. Unless you can flip upside down and walk on your hand, you ain't gonna make it." All of a sudden, Charlie was all over the place. Just me and my sidearm. And I had no other alternative but to blast my way out. Die, pig, die! You'll never take Major Vincent Winter for pain alive! Bam! I know what you did to my friends! Bam! Major! Bam! Hello, Miss Walburn. You just missed a little bedtime story.